guys, welcome back to another video. I have to update you guys on a few things, but first I've got to check eggs. We're always doing things with the chickens, I know, but we're gonna check some eggs, and then I gotta show you guys our puppies. I'm gonna show you guys some more babies. Let's come over here really quick. How you doing, girls? How do you like this wind? Huh? How do you like this wind? You guys give me some eggs? Oh, wow. Look at all these eggs, guys. Look at these eggs. Girls, just today, you gave me all these eggs. You need to move. You need to move. Guys, my chickens got out. I hate when that happens. And it's my own fault because I don't latch that. And then it comes open like this when the wind blows, and then they get out. So I have like 4 chickens out. You gonna take care of them until they want to roost again? Okay, you take care of them until they roost, okay? Man, those are your big old dude. Y'all, I forgot to grab my egg basket. So I went in there and looked at all the eggs, and I didn't grab my egg basket. Wow, that's a pretty good amount of eggs for us, considering all these girls are kind of on the old side. But yeah, gave me a good amount of eggs. Thanks, girls, I appreciate it. As you guys can see, I love coming out and checking the eggs to see what my girls have given me and how many eggs I'm getting. We did not get hardly any eggs over the winter because they were molting, of all times to molt. And when they molt, they need lots and lots of nutrients. So with that being said, I love to give my chickens a new treat called grubterra. Now it is a black fly larvae that they absolutely love. If you guys want to try out a bag for yourself and get a percentage off, do visit the link down in the description below and get your own. I have noticed since I've been giving my chickens this little treat, they've absolutely flourished. And it also helps during molting season as well. When these girls molt, they need extra nutrients and they need all the love they can get. So go ahead and visit the link down below. It helps the channel a lot, and get your own chicken snack. In today's news, I thought I'd give you guys an update on how the baby chicks are doing. They are eating tons of food, and they are growing like crazy. Look at them. They're so cute. If you guys haven't seen the video where we brought them home, I'll go ahead and put a link up at the corner of the page. Aren't they cute though? They're getting big. What are you guys doing? They're confused at the camera. Are you guys scared? What's going on? Okay, we'll see you guys later. Keep growing. In more updates, I got rid of my geese. My geese were way too loud. Every time I'd come out here and vlog, it's just all I heard was geese. So I found them a really great home, and they're doing wonderful, but now all I have is ducks. So I have a drake and I have a little hen. Where'd she go? Oh, she's over there. Another thing is our pond could not handle the 2 geese and the ducks. So we kept the ducks. We're gonna flush out the pond, probably put some more plants in there. Oh no, here they come. What are you girls doing? What are you girls doing? Guys, we also have more baby sheep. I don't know if I can zoom in and show you guys way down there. You know what? I'll just take you guys out there. But so far, girls are doing good. They're crazy. They're loving life. Like I mentioned in the last video, we did downsize our goats significantly, but we do have this girl right here who is due to have her own babies any day now. Hopefully I'll get that on camera. I don't really know if we'll get that on camera. What are you girls doing? Are you playing? They're crazy. Everybody's hungry right now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and everybody is just like, give me food. We have all these dog huts out here because when we had all the goats hate water, and during the monsoons they needed something to go into. So that's why we have all the dog huts. What are you girls doing? They're absolutely going crazy right now. Another thing, you probably are hearing these animals in the background of my video. Dogs barking, puppies whining, and all that kind of stuff. We have puppies. These puppies will be ready to go to their new homes pretty soon. Probably in the next couple weeks of this video. I'm gonna turn the camera around, give you guys whiplash. What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's electric, Toros. That's electric. What are you puppies doing? So far we have 3 puppies placed to new homes. And I think we have 3 males. I think we might be keeping 1 male. They are guardian livestock dogs and they will be excellent guardian livestock dogs. They were born and raised in that barn right there with their mom. All right guys, I'm gonna come out here and show you guys some new babies. And the sheep are really loud, so I apologize. They're the loudest creatures. I think they're worse than the geese. But check out these new babies. Look how cute they are, you guys. They're so stinking cute. Like, do you hear how loud they are? It's insane. There's some more babies. Another baby over there nursing. Yeah, that's the newest ones. The 2 little tan ones are definitely our newest babies. They were born like 2 nights ago. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate you guys spending a little bit of time with me, feeding my chickens, checking eggs, and just showing you guys all the baby sheep. So with that being said, I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'll see you guys on the next video.